I'm back at work. Yay, yay, yay. Hi, and welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. If you're meeting for the first time, my name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care and natural hairstyles and so much more. So on this channel, I post video on how to care for your natural hairstyles, or anything, just about anything that is related to your natural hair health. So if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe and click that notification bell so whenever I post, you'll get updates. So in this video, I just want to come on here and update you guys on what it has been like being back at work. I've been working since yesterday. Yesterday was Monday, by the way, the 22nd of June. And so far, it has been awesome. I've seen so many clients. And by the way, guys, thumbs up to some of you. You guys have been really taking care of your hair. You have retained a lot of length since the 3 months when you were on quarantine, and that's so awesome. And some of you guys didn't do so well, and I have to be doing a lot of treatments, but hey, that's what I'm here for. No sweat. But you guys need to start taking care of your hair, okay? Don't leave all that work for me. As you can see, my background is different. This is a salon. This is where all of the action takes place. So I'm just going to give you a mini tour of my workplace. So come along. So guys, this is one of the waiting area right here. So when you enter through the door, this is where you come. Yeah. And right over here is my little station. This is my favorite place in the whole salon. That's where I work my magic, by the way, right over here. That's where my station is. It is another waiting area, and the other stations over there. And this is where, this is just a shampoo area right here. And we got our dryers. And this is a room where we have our nails done. And this is the little kitchenette area. Yeah. And this has a nice view. So as you can see vehicles going by on the street while you're waiting. And it's not too noisy. So that's just awesome. So yeah, this is where I'm at if you have never been here before. So as you can see, guys, I'm alone because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. No one else is here. And if you ask why I'm here so early, because I have an appointment at 8 o'clock and I wanted to come and do this video very quickly and prepare for my appointment. So there has been a new norm at work where, you have to wear your face mask. And I'll tell you all about that later. This is my first client for the day. She's here because she wants to get her hair treated and styled. But in this video, I'm just going to show you the part where I treat her hair. As you can see right here, now our hair is very dry. It is super brittle and it also needs a very good trim. So look at what it looks like now. Sorry for shaking the camera so much. So let's go ahead and transform it. So in my previous videos, persons have been asking me if the DIY treatments that I do on my videos, if I did them at the salon. And the short answer is yes. But the treatment that I give to a client is dependent on the need of the hair. Sometimes I use DIYs and sometimes I opt for something that is stronger, that is in the store that I use. Depends on your hair type, depend on your hair situation. So right now, I'm going to use the ripe banana, honey, molasses, glycerin, black Jamaican castor oil, Botana, extra virgin olive oil, and some rosemary essential oil to make this deep conditioner for the client. So I went in there with my banana. I know I added like 2 small, let's call it teaspoon of honey, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon Botana oil. Now this Botana oil is similar to coconut oil. When the time gets cold, it coagulates, so it gets hardened. But once it's warm, it all melts and liquefy again. So I'm just putting in 1 spoon of that. So first I'm gonna go in with some glycerin. I'm just adding a few drops because this is so potent. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite castor oil. This is a black Jamaica castor oil, and this is so awesome. But I don't have much in this bottle, so I'm going to use another castor oil until I can get more black Jamaican castor oil. So I'm putting like 2 teaspoons, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this other castor oil to it. This is not black castor oil, but hey, it's castor oil. So I'm adding it, and then I'm going to be putting some extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm actually going to be using like 3 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil in this mix. So once I'm done adding these ingredients, I'm just going to add a few drops of rosemary essential oils, and we know that is awesome to stimulate hair growth, and also it gives a nice smell to this mix. We know how castor oil can smell, but hey, thank God the banana will overpower it. So that's that. So now that we have all of that in there, let's go ahead and add some molasses. This is the blackstrap molasses. It is very thick, so I had to put it on upside down to get it down. And I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of that to this mix. Made our DIY deep conditioning treatment for my client. I'm just gonna add this protein treatment to it, and this is a plant-based protein treatment. It is just so awesome, and it's just gonna repair our hair so well. So this is the mixture. I'm just gonna pour it into my application container, and then we'll be on our way. So this is now the consistency of our deep conditioner, which is the consistency that I needed. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and shampoo our hair, ensure that our hair is thoroughly clean, our hair and scalp is really clean, and then I'm going to go in with the deep conditioner. Now that I've finished shampooing her hair, I've sectioned it into 3 sections to make the application process much easier. So first I'm going to go in and put it on her scalp area, on her edges especially, and then I'm going to go and use my hand. This can be messy, guys, but hey, I'm used to this mess. So I'm going to go in with my hand now and work the product all throughout your hair once I'm done with putting it all over her sections. As you can see, I'm ensuring that I'm thoroughly working this product in our strands. Make sure that every strand is thoroughly covered in my deep conditioner. And then I'm going to massage this into our scalp as well. And this is very important to stimulate the follicles and to get the product into the follicles so it can stimulate growth as well. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to put her under the dryer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes has expired, so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this deep conditioner out of her hair. So first, I'm just using the water only to rinse it out, but because I added a protein treatment as well, I'm going to follow up with a moisturizing conditioner. Now that that we have rinsed that out of our hair, this is now what our hair looks like. As you can see, it's coming back to life. There's no product on it now, so I'm gonna add the Talia Wajid leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna go in and use my DIY rosemary oil for growth on her scalp, and I'm just going to massage it into her scalp to stimulate her follicles. And the awesome thing about this video, I'll be continuously working with this client from when her hair is like this, and I'll be showing you along the way as her hair starts to make progress to getting really long and thicker and healthier. So that is it for today for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, if you found it helpful, and if you want details about all the treatments that I've done, you can check out my molasses and ripe banana treatment. You can see what all ingredients are used for, the benefits of each ingredient and stuff like that. And that's it's an easier version for you to do at home as well. So now I'm just detangling her hair. I'm starting from the ends and working my way down to the scalp area. And this is just the proper way to detangle your hair if you want to retain length, because you're clearing the ends, whatever knots are at the ends, and working your way down to prevent breakage. Literally all day I had to be standing with a mask on my face, but hey, I guess it's for my own benefit and the safety of my clients, yeah. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.